Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change daily goals on Apple Watch Series 11. First of all, press the digital crown to open the apps library and then open the Activity app. Now scroll down to see the activities for which you can set daily goals. Now to add a goal to your activity, you have to tap the minus plus icon in the bottom right corner of the screen and then select either change for today if you want to change this goal for today, or change the daily goal if you want to change the goal generally. If you select change for today, you'll be able to set a new value for your goal by tapping plus and minus icons in order to increase or reduce the time of your goal. And if you select a change daily goal, you'll be able to do just the very same thing. Plus you can change the schedule by tapping right here, and you can also, here you have to select schedule and then set a different value for some days that you wish to perform more or less. So for example, let's make exercise 15 minutes on Wednesday, then click save to save this value and then tap set schedule. And that's how you can change daily goals on your Apple Watch. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.